Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, German with Siddhant. My name is Siddhant Miglani, your German language teacher. In this video, I'm going to tell you some greetings and phrases in German. This topic has been always given utmost significance by every German learner. Why is that so? The reason is we use these greeting words almost every day in our day-to-day conversations. So, let's begin the session. Greetings and phrases in German. In today's lesson, we have a list of 30 greeting words and phrases translated both in English and German. We have a flowchart here, which describes that we have different ways of saying hello in German. Our first word is hello, that we have in English. As we can see, we have 4 different expressions of saying hello in German. Our first expression is hallo. There is a slight change in the pronunciation. In English, we say hello, but in German, we say hallo. Our next expression is moin. This expression is primarily used in northern Germany. Next, Servus. We use this phrase in Austria and Bayern. Last, we have Grüß dich. We use this greeting in casual situations, like when we have conversations with our friends, family members, or with our relatives. Now we have the list of all German greetings and phrases, starting with Guten Morgen, which means good morning. Next, Guten Tag means good day. The expression Grüß Gott is a very similar kind of greeting, which also means good day. We use this greeting in southern Germany and Austria. Guten Abend, good evening. Gute Nacht, good night. Auf Wiedersehen, see you again. Formal. Why formal? When we conduct any formal conversation to any particular person, we have to show some respect. Let's say if a student is talking to a teacher, so a sense of respect should be given to a teacher by the student. Next, Auf Wiederhören means bye on telephone. There are a couple of situations in our lives when we talk on telephone. So when we say bye on telephone, we say Auf Wiederhören in German. Then Tschüss, goodbye. Informal. Informal means we know a particular person really well, like when we talk to our friends, family members, relatives, etc. So we say Tschüss, which means goodbye. Bitte, please. Dankeschön, thank you. Was ist los? What's going on? Wie geht es dir? How are you? Informal. Wie geht es Ihnen? How are you? Formal. Es geht mir gut. I'm doing good. Es geht mir schlecht. I'm not doing well. Bis bald. See you soon. Bis später. See you later. Entschuldigung. Excuse me. Wie bitte? Pardon me. Mach's gut. Take care. Schönen Tag. Have a nice day. Schönes Wochenende. Have a great weekend. Wirklich? Really? Sehr erfreut. Pleased to meet you. Viel Spaß. Have fun. Alles klar? Everything all right? Was ist denn los? What's the matter? Tut mir leid. I'm sorry. Bis zum nächsten Mal. See you next time. Gute Reise. Have a good trip. That's all for today's session. In my entire experience with students, I have realized that learning greetings is the most vital part for them. So, it's my recommendation to all German language aspirants that they should know all these greetings so that they can apply the same in everyday life situations. Thanks for watching the lesson. Goodbye.